Okay guys, today I'm gonna start lighting some fireworks off. I already started I was lighting some fireworks already. See, look, I was lighting some. But now I think I'm gonna show y'all I just stepped on a firework. That was gonna light me on fire. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna do that. To eliminate some of the women hate. Just I got a murder to skull funky. Knees unky. Angels fight with devils in. Okay. Oh. I'm here. Nah, did you miss it? Wait, I'm gonna try again. That was pretty cool. Next one. Oh, wait, I need that. I'm gonna do this sparkler. It's kind of different. It's like there's this little thing and this little metal rod. Look. Oh, it's on fire! Did I just drop something on the floor? No, it's literally just a rod. Next one is this little flimsy one. This little kid one. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go light it. Oh my god, the smoke. A lot of smoke. Oh, oh that's a lot of smoke. Spectrum Patronum. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. No, he died. I don't actually feel so bad, actually. I'm gonna go ask my dad for some help to try to go help me light off the big ones. Hey, Dad. I'm still recording though. Can you help me light off the big one? The little.
Yeah, you gotta pause it, but we gotta do different. Do you know how to edit?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure you know how to cut it short if you need to.
I don't need to cut it short. It's only been 6 minutes.
I know, but you want your videos to be that long. I think people are into short and quick.
Oh, well.
Okay, that's your call. That's your channel. Just do it.
Where should I?
I don't know. I would probably.
Just do it like this?
I don't know.
Okay.
I would probably put it on this because it's gonna fail. I'll probably put it on this because it's gonna fail.
Okay, let's see. I gotta move it. See it? Wait, we need a second to plan this out. This is gonna look that way, so I have to do it like this, right?
Yeah, but I would probably still stand out there than when you do it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, yeah. Like this? Avada Kedavra! It's like a real spell. How many shots does this thing have? Is that it? Because that was crazy.
I think so.
How many shots does this thing have?
10 maybe?
10 shots!
Don't point it to me. It's like a gun, dude. You never point it to somebody.
There you go.
Yeah. And I was looking at it, and you got every single shot on there.
Yes.
Another one or no? You're gonna wait?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna wait for the next one. Okay, let's go. I literally just did something. Actually, let's go. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna ask my dad something real quick. Can I turn the lights off so the color like more stands out?
Careful.
What?
Be careful.
Oh, okay. Bippity boppity boo. That's not a spell. Oh. Avada Kedavra. One time coming. One time coming. One time coming. So you can see it, right? You can see it? Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Like put this here. Got my little tool. Where are you? Frick, let's light it again. Wow, did you catch that? That was crazy. Bro, it's an invincible flame. Flame! How do I get this off, bro? Bro, it's still here. It's hot red. Two. There's two of them. Look. And I'm gonna light it with this one. Wee-hee-hee. Come on. One time, come on. Y'all, actually, thank you for that video where there was a crash. Thank y'all. That's probably one of my most viewed video ever. My first video used to be my most viewed. That's now my most viewed video ever. But thank y'all guys for getting me to that. That's crazy. To getting me to that many views on one short. Ow. I'm gonna end it back. I'm just gonna take a little break for like 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, peace out. See you later.